Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So you guys, today I am unboxing the palette for the giveaway. So I got this box from Ulta right here, and we're gonna open it up together. I got some scissors. Let's hold them like this. So tonight, me and Rocco are going to do the random subscriber pick together because it's going to be fun. And I have software where you can tell who's subscribed to your channel. And we're going to pick one of you lucky subscribers. So I do want to say, before I even open up this box, thank you for all the new subscribers. I haven't posted this week, and I'll get into that later. That's not why we're here. First of all, I just want to show you this palette. This is the palette that I already have for all the Poindexters, as Rich Lux would say, so that you know I'm not giving you a used palette. Obviously, I love this palette. I want this palette. This is my palette. So here's my palette, okay? And I'm gonna open up the box for you guys. Get rid of that. I did get 2 of these for myself. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. These are amazing. I got a Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. Needed a new one. Ooh, they sent me like a little package with different items in it. But let's get down to it, you guys. This was the last thing. And it still has the little plastic wrapping on it. So here's the palette. And just like I said for the Poindexters, here's my palette. And obviously I'm not going to get them mixed up because this has the plastic wrapping on it, and I'm not going to even like mess with that. So my palette, your palette, hopefully. So tomorrow I will announce the winner for the giveaway for this palette. And like I said, I haven't posted at all this week, and I'll get into that in a video. Some of you know, if you've been here a while, that I have panic disorder, and I had a really rough week, and I will talk about it with you guys, but this is a happy time, and this is a happy video, and this is for our 1-year anniversary, and this is me giving back to you guys for sticking around for a year and supporting me with everything that I have done on this channel and all the hard work that I've put into my videos. So that's what this is, and that's why I am giving it to one of you. And just making this video right now after the week that I've had just makes me feel good, because giving something to somebody makes me feel good. So thank you for that. I'm going to announce the winner. I'm going to contact you, and then I'm going to go right to the post office as soon as I can. I know that it's Labor Day weekend, so I don't know if that's gonna be an issue, but you're gonna get the palette as soon as humanly possible. End of story. So here it is in all of its glory, and it's going to be in one of your hands very, very soon. But yeah, you guys, that's it. That is everything for this video. I'm not going to bore you with the little package that they gave me. It's literally like perfumes, and it is like foundations to try that literally, like, how would you even get anything out of that? Like let me know. And one thing about samples is, if you really like something in the sample and you try it and you don't have enough money to buy it, you're like peeved and pissed, and yeah, so whatever. We're not talking about that today. But anyway, so here's the palette, you guys, and like I said, tomorrow me and Rocco, hopefully I'll be able to get him on camera. we will announce the winner for the giveaway. So good luck to all of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck, everyone.